Welcome to AER Int channel and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture we're gonna look at the tool Untrim Surface. So after we use a trim surface, maybe we want to undo what we have done, what we have trimmed. So we want to fill it right back. We can untrim close profiles as we have here and open profiles as we have here. So let's show how this works. So here under a Surfaces tab, we have Untrim Surface. And here we have to select faces or edges. So let's go here to this surface. And now here we see that here is missing some pieces. Now let's click on this edge, this one. And we can see the preview how it's gonna look. Let's clear this. Let's choose this edge. So we've got the same result. We can also add this edge. And we have the same result. Let's clear this, delete. So here we see that this is missing a piece. So we can choose this edge, like this, and it's right back here. Let's go to the other side. Here also we see that something missing. So let's try to click on this edge. And we can see that it's right back here. Or we can choose this edge. The same thing. Or we can just select all edges here. We got the same result. Let's clear selections. And let's go to this one. This is more complicated because if we only choose this edge, like this, we got this result, right? And now if we choose this edge as well, we got this result. Now we can see that this line here and this line here, that's tangent to this edge, are meeting here at this point. And now we got this result. Now if we want to get back the full surface, we can choose this edge as well. And now this is what we are looking for. So we can check this one, we can check this one, we can check this one, and this one. And let's click OK. And now our surface is back. And now as we see, we have only two bodies, body 1 and body 2. Because if you go back to our surface untrimmed, right click, edit feature. Here we see that it's checked, merge with original. So let's uncheck this. Let's see what we're gonna get. Let's click OK. Now we got this result, right here. And now we have body 1, body 2, and those surfaces that we have added. Now let's see how that works for the close profile. So let's go here and let's go to Untrim Surface and select this edge, like this. And here we have a checked merge on, merge with original. And let's click OK. And now we see that we have only one piece. And we don't see that this surface has been trimmed before. Now instead of an untrimmed surface, we can use filled surface. Let's try this filled surface. Let's see what kind of result we're gonna get. Let's go to Surface Untrim 2, right click, and let's delete this. And let's go to filled surface. Now let's choose this one. And here let's choose curvature. And let's click OK. Now we see that we have surface body 1 and 2. Now let's go to surface field again, edit, and let's merge results, like this, and let's click OK. And now we see that we have one body, one surface body. But still as we see, we can see the line here. We can see the closed profile. And this is maybe the disadvantage when we use a filled surface if we want to fill some surface. Because when we use untrimmed surface and we check the merge result, we don't see this line as we showed before or as we have here. So here, if we go to this surface untrimmed and let's go merge with original, and we don't see any lines, right? And this is the advantage of the untrimmed surface over filled surface regarding visual display. But if we want to get a better control over the surface, of course we are gonna use fill surface. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.